Hello friends, welcome to Fortify solution. Now today in this video we'll learn how to create a vibrant circle using Python turtle. So as you can see here, we have created a vibrant circle. The similar way we'll see how to create, or we'll see the coding of it. Okay, so let's start with the tutorial. Now for that, first we have to import turtle, and let's create a turtle. P is equal to turtle dot turtle, and says turtle dot done. I'll just run this, run, and says run, and I say Fortify, run. Okay, now you can see we have created the turtle. Okay, it's in black in color. Now what we do, we create the screen. Now for that, again we initialize the s equals to turtle dot screen, and we given the s dot bg color to black. Okay, and once again we'll run this. Now you can see we have a bg background color black. As background color and my turtle color is same, so we can't see a turtle over here. So now what I'll do, I'll change my turtle color to green. So t dot pen color, I'll say green, and I'll just run again. Now we can see we have a turtle with green color over here with black color background. Okay, so the next what I'll do, I'll use the while loop, and I'll say while true, and what coding we have over here will says t dot forward with a variable, let's say a. Okay, so what we do first, before creating a variable, we create a variable outside of this while loop. We have to create two variables. Let's say a is equal to 0, and let b is equal to 0. So what we do, first we create a forward says a, and then I'll say my turtle to move right with b. Okay, the two variables are created, and then I says let's a to be increased by 3 in every iteration, and b should increase by 1 in every iteration. So there's a ratio of 3:1. Okay, and I says if b equals to 20 to 10, suppose I'm giving any random selection number, then it should break, and okay, break, and definitely I says t dot hide turtle. Okay, I think we are done. So so this is the main actual core of that design, or you can say the vibrant circle. I'll just run it again. So you can see here it's not coming at the center of the screen, and the speed is it's too low. So I'll do one thing. Before this while loop, or just after this, I'll say t dot speed. For maximum speed we have to select 0, and I'll just run it again. Okay, speed wise is okay, but still it's coming down, so it's not at the center. So what I'll say is t dot pen up. Okay, and I'll say t dot go to, I have to move up, so I'll say x coordinate should be 0 and y should move to says 200. Okay, and again, okay, t dot pen down, so it will create a circle, and now I'll run it again. Yeah, we have a center, and you can see the random circle or vibrant circle, and see, this is exactly what we are looking for. So definitely now we have achieved what we are target, or what we say is it's a vibrant circle. And suppose you want to change the color, instead of green you want white in color. So what you have to do, you have to change the pen color, WHI, white. I'll just run it again, and we can see it's a white in color. So these are the one of the patterns which we can draw using Turtle, and definitely in next videos we'll see there are few more interesting patterns we can create and draw using Python Turtle. So that's it in this part of the video. Hope in next video we'll talk about more patterns. So take care. Rab Rakha.